On the third day of STEADFest, City Steading gave to me
3 random things. She thought I was gonna sing it. Okay.
So basically, this is a made-up holiday that we've named STEADFest, and we're going to announce all the winners of the 8 days celebration on
STEADFest
December 20th, which
is December 20th.
which is also my birthday.
It's also her birthday. She's 22.
So I very carefully went through all of our different things and tried to have similar items to give away to our viewership, which is you. And the third day, I just had some random stuff. So that's why we have 3 random things today.
By the way, in case you're wondering, yes, this really is the baster that we used in many videos.
It's
it has been cleaned and sanitized.
OG master baster.
Yeah, it has been cleaned and sanitized. The tip does leak a little bit more than you might like, but it's still a lovely piece to hang on your wall as memorabilia of City Steading.
And honestly, I don't think it leaks that much more.
No, it's really not that bad.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Watch the video where
We
we
also
did the
have
master
a
baster test.
3-piece wine thief that I just don't like. But I'm really selling these things today, aren't I?
You're doing a bang-up job.
But people love these.
Yes.
So I'm cool with that.
Yeah, it's super cool because you just put your thumb on here and then you go down there and then you let your thumb up and zoop, up comes the liquid. And so it's not really as destructive as these can be.
If you do a lot of 5-gallon, this is the thing you want.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We don't really do it.
And then we have a metal bottle filler wand. We just don't use the metal ones, but this is a lovely piece.
Yeah, they're super easy to clean. The reason why we don't use them is because you can't see through them.
You can't see into it.
But it's pretty much indestructible, and it'll probably last a lot longer than the plastic
absolutely.
ones.
It has the springy thingy on the end though. Yeah. So yeah, it works too. Hear that? All right, so the way this works is you must live in the continental United States in order to win. There's a link in the description below for the entry for today. And no, we don't really stop you from entering multiple days. Go for it. I just don't want the same person to win every day. That would be kind of odd, but I don't think it's possible.
It's a random generated
Yeah,
thing.
it's a randomly generated
Who
thing.
knows?
Yeah, you never know. We are going to be making all the announcements on December 20th. You have 5 days to enter from the date that this video comes out. So midnight on the 5th day, the entries stop and it'll tell you that you cannot enter. But yeah, 3 random things. Go for it. And if you happen to live outside of the continental United States and you're not eligible to win, I'm really sorry. Please try to understand and please still celebrate STEADFest. It's for everyone.